And extension, okay. And now we're going to go for, so pull your thumb out that way. Let's see, there's slip box right there, so bring it back in.
Let me get closer.
Get you right here, and just go ahead and extend that out as far as you can that way.
He's all right now.
And let's see.
We're going to need to explain what you're doing now.
Looks like it got you at 70 degrees.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
CMC flexion.
And then if you can bring it back to touching,
You make them do
it's
that,
going to be 70 to
find the
0.
knots right here,
Nope.
And it's
line it
going
up,
to be good.
So this is
and then they bring it
CMC
back down,
extension.
and then you do it and measure.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, flexion is across the
CMC
palm.
flexion, you need to measure this way.
Okay.
So what did he just do? Oh,
Extension.
Yeah, CMC
I
extension.
said flexion, it's extension.
Okay, and then what I want you to do is take your thumb and pull it across your palm. Just like that right there. Okay, so we're in the same snuff box right there. It's going to have a 0, and when I get you here, it looks like we're at 45.
Okay. Okay, good. Now, yeah, now do CMC AB and A deduction.
CMC AB deduction, okay. It's going to be the hand up like this. And, okay.
I'd be like,
Oh, I love being the test dummy.
what
Alright,
is
so we're zeroed right here, and then I want you to bring it out this way. There we go.
So when you demonstrate, you want to say you want to bring it out away from your palm.
Okay.
that? My wrist pops every time I do that.
Let's see, we went from
This is
0, and I got you at 60.
Okay, and you're going to make sure it's just lined up with the metacarpal. Alright. Good.
And then, see, a deduction will be just bringing it back in.
Correct.
Okay.
That way. So you would still measure the AB deduction, and it'll be whatever it is to 0.
So you're at 60, so you should be just 60 to 0 then.
Yeah, just make sure it's at 60.
Find your snuff box there, okay.
Okay.
You got you at 60, and just bring it back in.
Yeah, and so that's
And
CMC
it won't be a true
deduction.
0 because of your fingers.
Right.
Okay.
But if it does come to my palm, then it is
Okay.
definitely 0. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. And so now go ahead and do MP flexion and extension.
MP flexion, okay. Just bend, just bring that in as far as you can right there like that. And we're going to take this guy. Put it right there, and that looks like we're going to be at, what, 64 degrees?
Okay. And then do extension.
Okay, and just bring it back out.
Do you have to do each one of them?
Your CMC, your
Thumbs up, and
No,
that actually
each finger.
was it he's doing thumb?
has you at about 10, but that's pretty close to zeroed.
When it gets to that.
Okay. You won't really have, and you're getting hyperextension because there's hyperextension of the IP joint. Okay. So now do flexion extension of the IP joint.
Okay, just bend your thumb in like that as much as you can. Right there is going to be perfect. So if I can get you right there, that looks like we're going to be at, where are we going to be? About 88 degrees.
Okay.
Okay, and then bring it back out.
And then this one, you're going to have the hyperextension.
And this one, is this the one we do backwards here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I've got you at about, let's see,
Mine almost makes it 90 degrees.
looks like 40 degrees.
Okay. Good. And so now let's do MP flexion.
Okay. Which MP?
Just your MPs here.
Okay.
For digits 2 through 5.
Okay. Put your thumb in, make a fist. Thumb in and make a fist.
You want to have the thumb out because if you put your thumb in,
Your other video said thumb in.
I don't know about that.
All right. Well, put your thumb out, make a
Because
fist.
if you do your thumb in, it's going to affect your range of motion. You won't get 90.
Because you said something about the fingernails cutting into you.
That's
and then
manual.
Oh, that's muscle testing. Yeah, that's muscle testing. That's different.
Okay, and we're going to get lined up right here, and that's going to put us at, again, 88 degrees.
Okay. And then you would do each one, right?
Yes. Of course I would. Okay, so we're actually at like 80 here. And 80 there. And about 86.
I think it... sorry. You do it this way. Try that.
And still 80.
Because sometimes if you do it this way, the person's wrist is going to hold it up a little bit, and you won't get the accurate range. So
Okay.
you want to hold it like that.
Okay.
Okay. Now do extension.
An extension. Again, I want you to make a fist. And then I want you to just bring your fingers out as much as you can. Okay, very
And
good.
these you actually have
You
some
will get
hyperextension.
And we're going to be hyperextended to about 30 degrees.
Okay. Now do MP, AB, and AD deduction.
It's a little shaky.
MP 80 and 80 deduction. Let me see. Okay, actually, just take this finger and I want you to move it all this way as far as you can. Very good. And bring it back. Let me see over on this side. Let me see this hand and compare it to this hand. Do the same thing. Alright. I have to say that's pretty equal.
Yep, but you can take the range of motion too, and you need to take one and compare it to the range of motion of the other
Okay.
to see what the normal range is. This one does not have a normal range.
It was just compared to the other side.
Yeah.
This is AB and AD deduction. Okay, leave your finger alone until I'm done. Alright, gotcha. Now you can move your finger out. And go from 0 to 16. And back to 0.
Okay.
And let me get on this side. Okay, get you 0 out and move your finger over.
Make sure this arm is parallel
Still parallel.
with that finger.
Okay, and you are about 28 on the side.
Yeah, I think the goniometer slipped on that one.
Okay, let me try it again. Get you right there, get you parallel. Come over the side. Yep, because that's going to put you much closer to 30.
So, and then you would do each finger.
Each one individually, yes.
And so the middle finger does A deduction this way, and it does A deduction that way. It doesn't A deduct.
Right.
So you would take 2 measurements for the middle.
Okay.
Okay, now do a deduction.
Deduction. Alright, let's pull this out as far as you can right there. And we should be able to get back to 0. Okay, just bring it up next to your other finger. We were at about 30 last time. And that's going to have you 0'd.
Okay.
And let's do it on the other side. Okay, now bring it back over. Alright, very good. That's 0'd out.
Okay. Now do PIP flexion.
Alright, I want you to curl your finger up. Put that right there. And this one, stop moving, please. That's going to put you at 100 degrees. And that is the normal range.
Okay. And then do extension. PIP extension.
Okay, straighten your finger back out. And that is going to put us at, looks like 10 degrees of hyperextension.
Okay. Now do DIP flexion.
DIP flexion, okay. And let's just curl up right here like that, perfect. And that's going to put us at about 84 degrees.
Okay.
And let's go ahead and straighten it back out. And that's going to have you at about 2 degrees of hyperextension.
Okay. Good. Okay, so now let's manual muscle test.